and welcome to my channel. Today I've got a very quick and easy and wearable makeup look for you, so let's get started. So we're starting off with concealer, and this is just a sort of look that I would personally do when I have time to do some makeup, but like for work purposes, for example. You know, the sort of look that I would do if I actually have the time to spare and can do more than just, you know, slap on some concealer underneath my eyes and race off to work, because otherwise I'll be late. Yeah, a work appropriate look for people who actually kick themselves out of bed on time. So the concealer I basically put anywhere where I either want to highlight or conceal real quick. So yeah, around my eyes is basically the main thing. And then I just blend it out. Don't be too difficult about this. It's not a full glam look. Just put it on, spread it out. Don't think too much about it. Just, yeah, sort of hurry through it basically. And like, hurry through it is obviously not something that I would normally say with a makeup tutorial of any sort. But again, for a work appropriate look, yes, I do actually focus on being quick, because especially at work, the only person who's actually going to care what I look like is me. So yeah, it's not very useful to spend like 12 hours on it and stress yourself out. You know what I mean? And I don't mean that in the sense of like that my colleagues ignore me or anything, just powdering off by the way. But just in the sense of like, you know, at work it's like a lot more important to my colleagues that like we work well together and that we get our job done and have fun, than that it is to them that I have absolutely flawless skin. Obviously. Then my eyebrows, I'm just using an eyebrow powder because I work indoors. And okay, we did have a leak in the roof a couple of times already. But generally speaking, I don't get, you know, caught up in the rain indoors. But yeah, if you do work outdoors and there's a chance on rain, then I would recommend using a product that can actually withstand rain. And then just some eyebrow gel. Then for my eyes I'm gonna use LS Fast products just because they're, well, they're liquid, so they're quick to use, and they're also really sturdy. They'll just stay on all day without a base or anything. So yeah, for that we're going to do eyeshadow and eyeliner and mascara. Now I'm just blending this product out in the crease. I do totally recommend, by the way, to put a little bit on your brush and then to start blending it. And don't put the applicator on your skin, because otherwise, well, hygiene is one thing, but it's mostly that a little goes a very long way, and if you apply too much you're going to wind up with like a full on glam smoky eye, which is decidedly not what I'm going for today. So yeah, and in terms of color you can do whatever you want. This is obviously not my work outfit, but I just picked a color that fits with this. But to be fair, my work outfit is a white blouse. So realistically anything goes with it. But yeah, just make it fit with your work clothes. And then it's time to add some shimmer. Now if you don't feel comfortable showing up at work like a Christmas decoration, that's fine too, but I just really love shimmer, so I'm gonna use it. And just a little bit of eyeliner. This is of course completely optional. So to be clear, I just did a wing on the outside that ends about here. And then a little bit of darkness on the inner corner, that's it. Now we're just gonna go for mascara, obviously, because falsies take just a lot of time. This eye is very obviously already done, this eye is not. And yeah, you can see that it's quite obviously there. The LS Fast mascara is really good in my opinion. Not sponsored, but anyway, what I do when I really want, like with any mascara, when I really want big lashes with just mascara, is I really wiggle the brush on like the outer half of the lashes, or like the top half, the half that doesn't like directly spring for your eyelid. You get what part I mean. But yeah, the tips of the lashes get a lot of mascara on them. Be careful to not accidentally hit your eye over and over again, eyelid. And then just go for the combing motion from the roots upwards. So you just comb out the excess mascara mostly, and also you just really get nice big lashes that way. And then lastly the lipstick, I'm gonna go for a classic red. However, if you feel more comfortable with nudes, that's fine too, it's up to you. And then lastly we just have some setting spray. I always need to consciously remind myself to not keep talking while I spray it on, so I breathe it all in, because it doesn't actually taste all that good. it's not supposed to. Anyway, but yeah, this is the final look, and it is quite glam because of the red lipstick. But like I said, a look like this is just very quick and easy to do. And, you know, if you don't feel comfortable or if your workplace doesn't allow very obvious makeup, then you can also, well, you probably wouldn't be getting away with this either then. Anyway, if you want to, you can also just do a nude lipstick or do just a lip gloss or even a lip balm, whatever, it's all up to you. I just feel like, I don't know, I like the whole more classic glam look, and at my work basically anything goes, so whatever. So yeah, that's basically what I would do for a basic work makeup if I actually get out of bed on time to have time for makeup in the first place before work. And because we didn't do concealer on the cheeks, you don't need to use blush, because I didn't use concealer or foundation all around my face. You also keep the shadow, so you don't have to bother with contour. So really, it's just the eyes and the lips, and just it's so quick and easy, and I love it. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you did enjoy it, please click a like button. It would make me happy, because it makes YouTube suggest my videos more often to new people. If you want to see more videos, you can also subscribe to my channel. I on average do one gaming video per week and one is usually makeup tutorial, sometimes something else per week. And sometimes, like last week, sorry about that, I didn't have time to film. So on Thursday we had no video. But yeah, anyway, thanks for watching this video at any rate. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!